I like to make decisions accurately and efficiently. And I encourage you, whoever's watching and listening, if you can develop your talent to actually a skill set, right? To actually be able to make decisions accurately and efficiently, that is a winner as an entrepreneur, because you don't have time to dilly-dally. You don't have time to be wishy-washy and not quite sure of yourself. You've got to work on yourself. You've got to work on your intuition, your spirituality. Know who you are, because when you know who you are, whatever projects come your way, you'll know which ones to say yes to. And whoever comes your way in terms of relationship, you'll know if that person is meant to be and in your life, you know, for a season, for a reason, whether they say, or a lifetime. You know, Nick Lowery came into my life out of many other speakers who were on that tour. He is a friend for life. I made that decision. It was an equivalent, it's like a fast, accurate decision. And him and I have created a friendship that has never let me down. It is what it is. And that is how you should make decisions in life.